All right, good afternoon. What's your name and where are you from?
Katie from Daytona Beach.
Oh yeah, put it up. Welcome to Skydive DeLand. So we're gonna go jump out of a plane today. Is this your first time?
Yes.
Any special occasion?
My friend's birthday.
Okay. Well, before we get out of here, is there anything you want to say to your friends and family at home?
You guys should jump out of a plane too.
That's right. See you in the sky, have some fun. How you feeling?
Good.
Yeah, feeling like $1 million?
Yeah, my ears hurt.
Sweet. Sometimes that happens. Well, what was your favorite part?
Probably the jump.
Okay. Well, do you think you'll jump again?
No.
Oh, maybe a chance?
Maybe.
All right, sweet. I'll take that. Well, thank you for choosing Skydive DeLand. Thank you for saving her life.
Yeah!
I'll see you next time.
Mama, great job.